This geothermal unit's 15 years old. It's a water furnace. It's a 5-ton. I didn't have to take the flow center apart. I've got 3-way valves here where I can close off the outside loop from the inside pumps and the coax here, so you can easily change these pumps. I'm changing out the pumps in the flow center. Took one of the pumps out. As you can see, all the scale build up inside the flow center, and I had some rust up inside the hole here going out to the geo loop under the ground, so I knocked out that rust there. And I got the old pump here, and you see if I turn this, barely turns. New pump, see the new pump? That one's brand new, and they're the exact same. So this pump, you can see it's discolored. The disc is discolored there, and the new one spins freely. Old ones does not. And these are original to the geothermal unit. So this is what you have: scale build up, and once the scale builds up enough, it can ruin your pumps and it can stop up your coax. Just doing a little video for myself and other technicians out there so that you know. You've got a little screw here where you can check the shaft, or you can burp the line of air once the pumps start running. But that is a lot of scale buildup. And this is a flow center for a geothermal unit. I'm about to put the new pumps on, start it back up, but you can tell this does not spin freely. So these pumps were on the verge of going bad. They're getting super hot. So, and that's a sign. When it starts making noise, it starts getting really, really hot on the motor, you know it's going bad. I'm gonna get these new pumps on, get this thing running again, and we'll check pressure here in a minute. Man, I'm telling you right now. Oh, wow, look at that. Wow, look at this. We'll have to get that and get that out of here. Little impeller out. So it's pretty scaly in there. Gotta put the new pumps on now. I got my pressure gauge on, standing with about 25 pounds of pressure. That's the inlet and outlet. Got the new pumps installed, waiting for the unit to kick on now. All right, so the pumps are on. Right now we're gonna bleed the pump. Make sure we get all the air out. Yeah, she's a spinning. Bleed the pump. Leave them out a little bit so that air, the water comes out, then you know the air's been bled. Let's go over here and check the pressure real quick. See what we got. We got 20 psi going out to the loop, and then we've got, let's see what's coming in. Always want to check and see what the difference is. That way you know there's not a huge difference in pressure change, because then you might have a stopped up coax. So 20 and 24 looks like, I'm sorry, not 24, that's 23, yeah. So 3 PSI difference, not bad. I'll go ahead and leave this on here. Let's see, is there any water coming out? So loosen the bleed screw. You can see the water starting to come out, so we're bleeding all the air from the system. We've got the loop gooser tool that is ready to add pressure. During the summer, you need 40 to 50 pounds static on your loop. You need 40 to 50 PSI. We're going to open this up. And as you can see, it is adding very quickly. I'm going to tighten those bleed screws back up. And just shut this off, and you can see it's up from 23 to 26 now. We're going to keep it going. Alright, so we're going to shut this down now. Probably got around 40. Looks like we got 45. Go ahead and pump it up to 50. Then we'll check the inlet and outlet again. And I'd say this is a successful pump change. So pumps are working out really nicely. Want more videos like this? Check out my playlist, Tips for Technicians. As an HVAC technician in the field, I have several live, real experiences of different repairs, problems in the field that can help you to expand your knowledge. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, and also hit the notification button so you guys keep up with what I'm doing. Remember, I'll keep you cool if you let me.